I just had a beautiful cappuccino and croissant de chocolate here at the hotel and Café Craze. It's a beautiful place to be on the terrace here at the Café Craze. And now I'm going to the German Mass. Come with me. Sunday morning. It's cooled a little bit down. It's not so hot. We have perfect temperature, 20 to 25 degrees, I would say. And hello. And yeah, it's a nice walk. It's in the John Paul II Hall, the church, because today we have the Croatian masses like 8, 10 and 11, I think, in the main church. And let's go together. It's a relaxed morning. Temperature, as I said, very, very good. You see that is the Croatian Mass going on. That's the end of the Mass. Let's say hello to Our Lady. And you see people here go to church. And let's go. It's just beautiful to see all these people, young people, old people going to church. I think it's just beautiful. You see, it's not amazing how many local people are going to church here. Isn't that beautiful? For me, I can't believe it. I just love it, you know. These people fought for their faith, you know. To have their faith in communist times, their faith was not allowed, and this is just amazing to see how beautiful they are all in the church on Sunday. This is beautiful to see. You know, I love these people. I love to be around the people here in Medjugorje from Herzegovina. They're just kind, good people. Look at that, this is a friend of mine over there. I like this guy a lot. And there we go. Let's go over. And look, they have also like very beautifully dressed. That is very nice. I would say, as it is saying in Germany, the church still is in town, in the center of the town here. And that is the beautiful thing. Let's say hello to Our Lady here as well. And we go down this road to the German Mass, which is on Sundays in the John Paul II Hall. As I said, the Croatian Masses are in the main church, which is understandable. And the international Masses, English, Italian, German, in the hall, which is over there, where I'm going now with you together. You can see how beautiful, isn't that? Beautiful people in the shadow. And you can see here the sanctuary. And we go over there to the hall of St. John Paul II. Recommendation in summer, always walk in the shadow because it's really, now I see it again, it's getting hot. In the back you can see the cross mountain. You see the cross on top? Beautiful. And there we are. And I leave you with this beautiful view on the St. John Paul II Hall. God bless you all. Subscribe to the channel and share the videos, that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. Subscribe to the channel, that would be help for me, and give a like. I pray for you now, and please pray for me as well. Bye bye from Medjugorje.